Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Hanielas. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable LOL Diva doll cookies. I'm using sugar cookies, and to decorate I'm gonna be using royal icing. So let's get started. First we're going to make bangs. These are going to be royal icing transfers. I'm piping white royal icing 15-second consistency on a piece of acetate. You can also use parchment or wax paper if you don't have acetate sheets. And we're going to dust royal icing with some edible jewel dust, and then I'm gonna let it dry overnight. Once this is dry, we can remove it from the acetate and use it for our project. I'm also going to make eyes as royal icing transfers, and all of these decorations, they can be prepared ahead of time, actually months in advance, and you can store these in an airtight container away from moisture and direct sunlight. You can learn more about royal icing transfers, different types, and how to use them in cookie decorating on my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. To cut out cookies, I use the paper template, and I'm using the same template to trace the outlines on a cookie with edible marker. Now we can decorate. I'm using electric pink royal icing 15-second consistency, and you're gonna outline and flat the bow. While the icing is wet, use pink sanding sugar and dust it with it. It's gonna add nice sparkle. Now we're gonna attach the eyes. Use a little bit of royal icing for the glue. And then you can finish the bow. Next, we are going to make face. So we're gonna outline and flat the face with 15-second consistency royal icing. I colored my royal icing with brown food coloring, and I added just a touch of orange to it. Let the icing crust, and then we're gonna pipe the ears and then let it crust again. And now we are ready to make the hair. I'm using 15-second consistency white royal icing. While icing is wet, dust it with edible jewel dust. let the icing dry completely, and then you can glue on the bangs with a little bit of real icing. Next, we're gonna work on the eyelashes. I'm using black royal icing piping consistency to make the eyelashes. With pink royal icing, pipe the mouth. Then add a little bit of color to the cheeks. Use petal dust and dry food-only paintbrush. Draw the nose with edible marker. And then we can pipe the star. You can also use star sprinkles if you have those. Those are adorable. And very last thing that we have to do is the outline. I'm using black royal icing piping consistency, and we're going to outline And that's how you can make these adorable LOL Diva doll cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you'd like to see all the dolls that I made in the past, you can visit my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.